channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a clean my messy room with me. This is very much needed, y'all. I've just been going out of town. Room really just got like messed up from like rushing doing stuff. I also want to clean out both of my closets today. I feel like I have like a whole day to myself to clean, so I really want to take advantage of it. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys my room. Super messy, y'all. Do not judge, okay? Okay, guys, this is my room, y'all. Like, y'all see this? When you walk, this is literally the walkway door of my room, y'all. This is my bed. As you can see, it's got clothes on it. I've got like 2 different purses. This is my side of the bed that I sleep on. Jasper is going to town on his little bone. And yeah, like I still have bags from when I went out of town. My dog had diarrhea, so I tried to get it, but I just bought some dog stuff, so now I can get the rest of that. I've got laundry, y'all. Like, look at this. Food, dishes, a box of cookies. This is really giving big back activities right now, y'all. Like, and then this is in front of my bed, y'all. And then my nightstand. Like, this is great. This is great. If you think this is bad, wait till you guys see my closet. I have to use 2 closets. I have everything through color code. It starts from red to blue, and then back there are like my browns, grays, and blacks. And then on the bottom, I have just a little bit of clothes on the floor. I have not a mattress. I have a comforter down there and one of my dog beds, so that'll probably stay there. But this closet isn't that bad, and that's mainly because it's like kind of small. I try my best to keep up with it. Hey, but I mean, let's get a round of applause for the bathroom, okay? I feel like since I'm always doing nails and lashes, I have no choice but to leave my bathroom like clean. To make this even funnier, my light busted out in my closet, so I need to buy it. Look at this, y'all. Y'all see that? It's not turning on, so I have to buy a new light bulb today. Suitcase still has clothes in it, y'all. You guys ready for this? Look at this, y'all. Look at this. Like, it literally looks like a freaking hoarder closet, y'all. I can't even sit at my vanity. I literally have to pick up this plate, and I have my makeup bag on the chair, and voila, now I can actually sit at my vanity. I need to make a list in my notes of everything I need to do so I can follow it through step. So we're starting the to-do list. Okay, first thing on the list is I need to get all the clothes off the floor. I feel like that's what's making my room look dirty. Next thing I need to do is get all the trash and dishes. I need to get all the trash and dishes. Let's see, what else do I need to do? Oh yeah, actually, I need to, let's go back. All right, but I forgot. I totally need to get my bedding. I do want new fresh sheets today, so I need to get my bedding, but I wanted that to be the first thing. So bedding. Also need to clean mirrors. Clean mirrors. And I also need to dust. So I do want to make a quick run to Walmart and Hobby Lobby. I'm more of a diffuser girly, but I haven't bought a diffuser for my room yet, so I typically just use candles for temporary smell. So I need to go to Walmart and get some candles. Light candles. Oh yeah, and my closet, y'all. For my closet, majority what had happened was how it really got dirty in the first place. I used to be able to stand in there like on some Bratz episodes type shit. Like, that's what I was giving. Like, it was really like my comfort, but now it's fucked up. So I need to organize my shoes. I need to organize my purses. I think I'm gonna put that on the list. I'm gonna start off by getting the bedding off because the bedding should have been getting washed, and then I'm gonna start getting like the trash and stuff like that. Okay guys, so I'm pretty much done cleaning everything in my room. The only thing I have to do is vacuum my room, but I'm gonna wait until I bring the vacuum up. I'm gonna show you guys what I did right now. So as you can see, vanity's clean. I'm on FaceTime with my boyfriend, y'all. So yeah, vanity's clean. Wiped my mirrors down. I also had wiped my other mirror down as well. Hey. And then for my night table, I decided to put one of my pink bibs up here because I just thought it looked super cute. I have my My Melody journal, my Beauty and the Beast turning flower that my boyfriend got me, and then I usually edit in bed and stuff, so I have my little SD cards and my adapter here, and just some hand sanitizer because I do like to eat like chips and stuff. And then obviously the only thing in my bed's not really done. I'm still waiting for my stuff to get done. So I'm actually about to get this stand up real quick with my dog stuff that I just bought. I had also cleaned this up a bit. I got all the clothes off the floor. My hamper goes there with that empty space. And then this is just an extra dog bed and an extra comforter. And then the ups area is clean. I keep like all my costumes in there, all of my yarn stuff. I do be like knitting and crocheting, y'all. Right here in this blank spot is where I end up folding extra pajama shirts. So I have to do laundry and then that will be filled up. But yeah, let's get started with organizing this laundry. Okay guys, so I'm finished organizing the clothes that were like in my room on my floor and in my dirty clothes hamper in my closet. Actually, that just reminded me I need to get the ones out my bathroom, which is like towels and wash rags. But these are the loads I made. Okay y'all, I've taken out the trash from my room and stuff. I have a fresh bag just in case there's any trash in here I need to throw away. I feel like I should make a separate load, but at the same time, it really don't matter. I could just mix them with them, but I know I do be putting like certain clothes in here. Yeah, y'all. We're about to start with this. I think my plan is to take all the big stuff out because I'm pretty sure I have a chair in here, which is really trash. So I think I'm going to just set it in front of the house, even though it's kind of broken. Closet is finished. It looks so nice, y'all. I still do not have a light bulb in my closet, but look, y'all, I can actually walk in here. Like, what? Yeah, so cute. Literally obsessed, y'all. But yeah, I'm going to Walmart to get candles, and I need a light bulb. I low-key want a pink one. If I can't find a pink one, I'm just gonna get a regular one. And yeah. So I just got out the shower. So my bed is made. I'm waiting on 2 of my pillowcases right now. I think that they just got done, so I'm about to go grab my pillowcases, and that's all I have to do. Hey guys, so that is it for the video. I'm so happy my room is clean. If you guys watched all the way to the end, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. My room and my closet, my shoe and my purse closet was by far what took the longest. My room only took about like an hour and 30 minutes to clean. My closet itself took about like 3 hours. Hi y'all, that is it for the video. Y'all see the room. I got my Chipotle and my Doritos on the bed and the movie I'm about to watch, which is The Quiet Place 2. By the way, getting ready for the new one. Bye.